Mark Godden, I'm Marketing Director of Voodoo DesignWorks. Voodoo is a sign maker, or rather casts itself in a role of a sign maker, but it's actually a little bit more. Design's at the centre of everything we do, and we tend to come up with and are asked for rather more imaginative solutions for our customers than most sign makers would probably want to get involved producing. What made us choose Clarity was necessity. We had a system of our own. Because we're a company with creativity at its centre, things could very, very quickly spill over the edges or get disorganised, you know. We're in the midst of one project and inspiration for yet another will crop out. So we need to contain that effervescence and that enthusiasm for everything we do and get a bit of formality around it. So we built a system of our own, but we actually ended up working for that rather than having it work for us. So we looked for a solution that was essentially off the shelf but flexible enough to configure to our rather peculiar needs. And in the face of all the solutions offered, Clarity seemed to be the most responsive to our needs. So for us, it's more the feeling that everything's under control. Once a job is out of our heads, so to speak, and into Clarity, we know it's being dealt with properly. We know what it's costing us to produce, we know when it'll be finished, we know if there are any complications in its way that we'll need to manage with the customer, and it's just that essential piece of information that comes up from the core of the program and lets us know everything's under control. So it works, everywhere it touches it works for us. The guys downstairs obviously make great use of the reports. So while they're managing all the activity that comprises any job and getting it to market, we get a nice tight encapsulation of what's going on, and we can see the life signs of any project and the business that surrounds it. It doesn't just give you information, it gives you the information you want and need, and it's very, very configurable in that respect. I'd like to think we could keep it on an exclusive basis for ourselves because it does help us exert an advantage in the market, but yeah, I'd recommend it without hesitation. What I would recommend to anybody who's considering something like this is don't hang around waiting until you think you need it. If you don't have it, you almost certainly do need it, so do something sooner rather than later would be my advice.